Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA. This is Everything Country CA cabin version. I'm out at our family cabin on Vancouver Island and going to show you a little bit of the property and to give you a bit of a tour. We're always working on projects out here and we're out for the weekend, so just follow along and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Today I am at my cabin enjoying it with some family, and we've had this cabin for 20 years. It's pretty rustic. The inside has just got original furniture that we've had for 20 years in here, and you can see it's a bit disorganized. There's a loft upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms at the back, 2 small bedrooms. You can see 1 bedroom there, and there's another one over there. And then the kitchen is just very rustic. As I said, we don't have electricity. We bring in our own water for drinking, and we have a gravity fed water system for some running water. There's a little porta potty in the bathroom. And then, sorry, it's a bit of a mess here. It's always going to be messy because it's a small cabin. And then outside, oh look, there's somebody on the lake, and they've got their sailboat out. This is on the deck, and got somebody out sailing, so cool. And we have our little fire table here, and then we have our little dock. So this has been in the family now for over 20 years. And we're just going to enjoy the weekend and just have some nice family time. So here's the back of the property. It's about 90 feet wide, and we've got 2.7 acres at the back, and we have about 90 feet of frontage. We have a water tower which needs some work. There's the old treehouse that we built for the kids. So then going up to the back of the property, there's our road coming in. We share it with our neighbor, goes up the hill, and then we just built a new outhouse. The original outhouse was there since 1970. So this is a Betty outhouse built. We bought it from Pacific Rim Log Structures, the kit, and we had to build the foundation. I might include a little bit of information about doing that or some pictures. And the roof is almost or is done. We still have to do some of the work on the inside, but we had to build the new seat for the outhouse, and we put up some new towel racks, and we installed a little sink. So it's just putting water in the bowl and using that for washing up, and it's so nice to have a sink there. It just feeds into the hole. And we're in the midst of adding the beadboard, and we're going to stain the top of the seat, and then put a little cubby on the left side so we could store some things in there. And eventually we'll probably stain the walls, but it all takes time. I put a little curtain here so that there's some privacy, and it's so cute. So I'm really happy with it. And that's the outhouse, and that's been like a 4-week project to get everything to this point, coming out on weekends to work on the structure, first the foundation, then the structure, then the roof, and just been so happy to get that done. And just take you around. It's a 1970s built cabin. We got a little shed underneath. We need a lot of work to be done on the deck. That's another big project. It's the original deck. And then we have little steps we made going down to the dock. The dock is down there, and there's a little beach. I'll just make my way down, watch where I'm stepping so I don't fall. And we've had this property for about 25 years now, so there's always stuff to do. We replaced the dock about 3 years ago. We have a little beach down below, you can see, which is our little private beach. It's just amazing, and we love it so much. No gas-driven boats, only electric motors are allowed on the lake. And we've got quite a hill going up. We're up high, and there's the cabin, and it's sort of like an A-frame, but not really, because it's got the loft and the lower floor is complete. It doesn't have the slanted walls on the sides, so that would be an A-frame, but ours is not. And then just going up, so as I said, it's pretty rustic. I have a generator, but I bought a new generator because we're gonna run that for, if needed, an air conditioner. We're expecting a heat wave this summer, and I wanted to get a new generator. So that's the treehouse. And here's the back of the cabin, and we're eventually going to paint. We have to put a new coat of paint, probably new colors, and get that done. And there's always things to do. So that's it for this time, and I'll show you more on our next project and when the outhouse is complete on the inside. Thanks for joining.